Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover Insighto AI. So what the Insighto AI is an AI chatbot and voice agents for GHL, WhatsApp, SMS, and more. Okay, so what you can do with it. So there you go. It's an explanation. Why do only large businesses benefit from the power of AI? We have built voice and chatbot agents. They are no code and can be deployed to any person using just prompts on LLM model. Our voice agents support both inbound and outbound calls. Okay, so here you go. So this is something which it might interest some of you guys. You have a company, you have I don't know, you want to serve your clients by answering their questions over the phone, let's say, or just simply doing the chatbots, on your website. So you might consider using this Insighto AI, which is currently on a very good deal of minus 76%, and you can get this access through the AppSumo. Okay, so there are a few tiers available. I will cover them all in a minute. So first one, it's starting with $69. Okay. So there are a few updates, for example, from the company. Okay, so in August, so they are pretty new. Facebook Messenger to deploy your chatbots. Okay, GDPR Trust Center, GHL tutorials available on YouTube, and Postgres tool. Okay, so they also in July they added agency pack, GHL integration tool for conversational AI missed call text back, PayPal to generate payment links, SMS. Okay, so they actually quite active. Okay, so it means that they are working on their tool constantly. They are updating their software. They making additional features which they might be requested by the users. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool that these people actually are working on their tool constantly. Okay, so here you go, some of the examples. For example, use with the WhatsApp, you can pre-populate it your contact list, or you can pre-populate it your what you want the chatbot to be discussing with your clients. And here we go, everything is there, so you can simply go and just implement this from day one. Okay, so let's go quickly and cover those plans for you guys. Okay, plans and features. Lifetime access to Insighto AI. You must redeem code within the 60 days. All features code plan updates stack up to 6 codes. All credits are for GPT 3.5 model. Okay, so 20 times credits are used for GPT-4. Okay, so all credits are for 3.5 model, which, as we all know, is a free of charge. Okay, so basically they will be using the free of charge GPT 3.5 model. However, if you want to use GPT-4, which, as we know, is connected to the internet, okay, it's a newer version, those credits will be used on a 20x basis. Okay, 10x voice credits are used for 11 labs and Azure Speech. All right, so if you want to have some voices being generated from 11 labs, you'll be 10x charge for it. Okay, when it comes to the credits. So now plan one, $69. All features above included: 10 bots, 2,500 queries per month, 3 million words, 600 voice seconds. Remove branding at form. Okay, for plan 2, 238. Okay, you got 20 bots, 5,000 queries per month, 3.5 million words, and 1,200 voice seconds. Okay, and tier 3, it's something which obviously they add in the bots, the number of bots, number of queries, number of words, and everything else. Okay, so this is a pricing in a nutshell when it comes to AppSumo deal. Let's go inside the website itself and check their pricing, for example, just to come for comparison. Okay, so you have here, you start with for free. You got 2 bots, 100 credits, 300 credits when it comes to voice and text, and then so you can start for free. Then if you start paying them $25 a month, you will have 2,500 credits, 600 credits for voice, and so on and so forth. I don't see what's the equivalent when it comes to what you call it, the text. And they said here 3,000 words. Okay, I will be keen to see what is the equivalent in the words. Okay, it's not really clear on this pricing model of theirs, which is fine. Okay, it's something which you guys it's better to go ahead, just check it out if that's something you might suit your needs. And if you're interested, just reach out, let's say here, or you just send an email to them and they will probably reply to it. Okay, so because I'm not really sure how they actually pricing you guys when it comes to number of words here on the AppSumo. You know that you for $69 you got a lifetime deal and you have 3 million words available on a monthly basis. Okay, so it's very important to understand that part. Okay, so here we go. So let's say and go quickly through the website itself. So transform a digital customer conversation with conversational AI via voice and chat. Deliver instant human-like support whenever your customers are, from live chat to phone, SMS, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Okay, so all those platforms can be integrated with this tool. If you have a base of the customers who are using one of those platforms, you might consider to joining their joining their software and try it for at least see if that's something you might consider, so here you go is a demo. If you want to, for example, just start chatting, schedule a test drive, for example, and here you go, and they will be replying to you with with those for example, give me your name, give me your address. I think we all of us saw those type of forms and those type of chatbots so far. Okay, they are very popular. Okay, and this is one of the tools which can help you out with creative one. Okay, so customers might consider. There you go. Some of those cases which you can start using if you have, for example, have a restaurant and you want to start to automate your food bookings and string shipping inquiries, and anything else. Okay, so let's go quickly inside the software itself. Okay, here we go. That's how it works from inside. And you can start off with creating an AI agent. You go and add your data. For example, you've got CSV file, and you just drag and drop those CSV files here with all the information which relates to your products, to your consumers, to your customers data if needed. Like, for example, first name, second name, and all these bits and pieces if you know, and you want to, for example, contact those people. Okay, or via the WhatsApp, for example, or something like that. Or if you have, I don't know, the number of different services which you can offer to your customers, you'll be having this here. You just drop it there, and then you can start working from it, and put it all those information through this chatbot. So this chatbot will be learning live or based on your data. Okay, and everything is well explained. Okay, so what is data source? A data source is a collective of data sources like PDFs. Each DSF represents a single unit of your knowledge base, and is used for assistant to answer a particular query. As I said, like you just dropping everything what you have in relation to your business, an AI assistant is actually learning about your business and will be generating answers for your customers. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, forms the same here. You can go and add some forms, and create those forms for you, intents, and for example, if the user has asked question about potential job opportunity or about the culture, if the user asks questions about the product, and here you go. It's those type of scenarios you can also place here. Okay, when it comes to the discussing some of the scenarios when it comes to your business between yourself and your potential client. Okay, that's what you can do. Here you go. You hear about tools, and there are, as I said, there are a number of integrations available, like for the Instagram, for Messenger, and others. Okay, so there you go. There's a number of tools available for you guys to use it. Right. So look, if you want to go ahead and start using it, you can straight away doing that by clicking on the link below, which will redirect you to the AppSumo deal. Okay, and I'll leave it with you guys to decide if that's something you might need for your business. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave it down below, and thank you very much for watching.